Hollander Specialty Glass has been a family-owned and operated business since 1956 and has become a premier source of restoration window glass. Specified by architects, designers, and historic preservationists, we have had the privilege to be part of restoration projects in prominent Washington, D.C. neighborhoods, the shores of the Hamptons on Long Island, and the historical suburbs of Boston. Hollander Specialty Glass has been supplying specialty glass products for over 70 years, including stained glasses, pattern glass, and restoration window glass. We have long-established relationships with glass manufacturers around the world so that we can stock and supply these specialty decorative products for our customers. We take pride in manufacturing restoration window glass products that help maintain the historical integrity of any project. Our Hollander Circa Line is a prime example of that. These products use current manufacturing methods to create period-style window glass products that fit the needs of modern building codes while staying true to old-world aesthetics. The main products in the Hollander Circa line are the Circa 1800 and the Circa 1900. The Circa 1800, which encapsulates early cylinder glass production and offers modern utility required for today's projects while still maintaining the historical integrity of the project. The Circa 1900 is a light distortion restoration window glass with viewing qualities reminiscent of the days when glass production was not in the end games of perfection. We also have other products in the Circa line that focus on solutions for some niche requirements found in the restoration world, such as the ultra-thin Circa 1800 Colonial for retrofitting and glazing applications that require a minimal thickness, as well as the 1900 Solar, which blends period distortion with a low E coating for energy efficiency. Circa products can be found in some of the most historic buildings in the United States, both commercial and privately owned. The USS Olympia is a retired American battleship parked in the Philadelphia harbor. The captain's quarters and the admiral's quarters were restored in 2018 using Circa 1900. But some of the more notable projects include those in the National Mall of Washington, D.C., maintained by the architect of the Capitol. It's truly an honor for our glass to continue to be specified in these important and historic buildings. The old World Colonial Crown Glass, our heaviest mouth-blown restoration product. This product is a true depiction of crown glass, which is one of the earliest methods of manufacturing window glass. This glass is defined by heavy reams, cords, and seeds, as glass from this time period was anything but perfect. The Old World Colonial Light Restoration is a light distortion mouth-blown restoration window glass, manufactured the same way glass was made for centuries, with each sheet mouth-blown and spun by hand. These glasses have a very organic movement with light seeds and limited texture. The Old World Colonial Full Restoration is a mouth-blown restoration window glass, with heavier texture and more pronounced cords and reams than the Light Restoration, an unmistakable distortion and texture found only in this handmade glass. The Renova is a heavy, restoration-style product with an exaggerated wave made for modern application, including cabinetry and other interior decorative applications where both distortion and low-iron glass quality is important. The Restover is a Foucault-style vertically drawn machine restoration product with a light distortion and directional wave, making it an excellent choice for cabinetry and interior decoration. The Circa glasses are available in a variety of thicknesses to be specified in any application. Not only do we offer larger sheet sizes than standard restoration products, but these glasses are also temperable, while traditional restoration products are not. Also, Hollander Circa glasses are manufactured here in the USA, which is always great. All of Hollander's restoration window glasses are carefully created, one sheet at a time, with the hope that these glasses bring historic projects back to life in ways that are vital to the preservation of old world charm. Windows are a key element in historic building restoration, and selecting the proper glass is vital to keeping the original architectural vision intact. For more information about our projects and to request samples, visit restorationwindowglass.com.